To show or hide lock screen notifications in Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on the notifications. Now there's actually two different ways to kinda hide notifications. First one is partially hidden. If you go for hide content while locked, you'll be able to hide the content of notifications while your phone is locked. So you'll be able to actually see those notifications, but you won't be able to see their content. You will see, for example, that Gmail sent you a mail, but you won't be able to read it. Then there's options to fully remove them. If you select the lock screen right here, you can simply turn off show notifications to remove them, or when they are enabled again, you can customize them with cards, icons and dots, and you can also enable or disable show alerting notifications only. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.